The all-new Bajaj Pulsar 250 is scheduled to be launched on the 28th of October 2021, and Bajaj Auto has dropped a new teaser ahead of the launch. The new offering will be the largest displacement Pulsar in the family and will sport a completely new design language. Spy Shots have suggested a naked and semi-fed version to be in the works. The new teaser video further shows the stubby double-barrel exhaust, new alloy wheels and split LED tail light. The model will also come with a bold new front section, including a wide LED headlamp that gets a projector lens and DRL. There's no word on the powertrain yet, but the model is expected to get a new 250cc single-cylinder engine. Power and torque figures will be announced at the time of the launch. The new Bajaj Pulsar 250 will roll out at dealerships in a few days from now. Indian startup Vazirani Automotive has unveiled its new electric hypercar called the eConk for the world. This is the company's second such hypercar after the Vazirani Shul that was showcased a couple of years ago. For the single-seater offering, Vazirani claims to have adapted biomimicry and combined it with ancient Indian manufacturing techniques for the development of deco technology. The company claims a weight of just 738 kilograms, which makes it lighter than the current F1 cars, while the design is said to be extremely aerodynamic. Vazirani claims the body is built entirely out of carbon fiber, while the electric motors develop about 712 brake horsepower with a top speed of 309 km per hour. The 0 to 100 km per hour sprint is achievable in 2.54 seconds. There is no word on when the eConk will enter production and how many units of the hypercar the company plans to make. Mini India has dropped the teaser for the Cooper SE on its social media handles, the brand's first fully electric car that will arrive in the country very soon. The all-electric Mini Cooper SE was first showcased globally in 2019. It will technically be the first fully electric offering from the BMW Group in India. The Cooper SE is based on the Mini 3-door and looks nearly identical to the model. However, it gets a blank front grille that carries chrome surrounds and a new E badge replacing the S lettering. The model also comes with new quirky alloy wheels. All the trademark design elements have been retained. Power comes from an electric motor paired with a 32.6 kWh battery pack. The electric hatch can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.3 seconds and has an electronically limited top speed of 150 km per hour. Mini claims a range of about 270 km on a single charge.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.